My name is Jason Saunders with Indoor Environmental Services, Service Manager. We service Greater Northern California from about Fresno north, have 4 area branches, and I oversee 55 service mechanics. With R22 prices increasing exponentially, we were forced from a customer standpoint to take care of our customers and look at various options. We've dealt with a lot of the popular what you would call a drop-in replacement, and unfortunately we're disappointed with the outcome. There's a reduced capacity, oil changes required, ensuing oil leaks after conversion. I had originally heard about Bluon from a peer group that we had, and they had claimed that it was a drop-in replacement for R22 that could save energy, lower the system pressures, ultimately helping with lifespan expectancy of that piece of equipment. I was very skeptical of that, as well as several of my internal peers, and we had done our own testing. We had reached out, contacted Bluon, and gotten some of the product at that time and put it through our own measurement and verification, and sure enough, it had done all of those things. It reduced head pressures, it reduced RLA run load amps, and maintained capacity during all of our testing. We're very impressed with it and have been selling it and utilizing it ever since. What I've enjoyed about the Bluon group is the support that they offer us. We'll run into a piece of equipment we have yet to convert. We make a couple phone calls, give them technical data, make, model, serial number. I've been impressed on more than one occasion when providing that data. They've already converted those pieces of equipment. So they have real life data and real life experience that they're going to share with me while I'm bidding that project. One of the things that technicians liked about it was the accreditation process. It can be intimidating to be tasked with a new refrigerant or a new part or a new piece. It's an online test, it's 20-30 minutes. These are things that they do currently, day in and day out. It's just the fine-tuning of understanding the product and how it's utilized in the existing systems today. And all of them, have given feedback of, it wasn't that bad. One of the unique properties about the Bluon Energy Group with this product is the warranty. There's no other refrigerant I found out in the marketplace right now that not only can you convert and take care of your customer, but they offer a 90-day warranty on that conversion. I talk about the great warranty that they have. We haven't even had to use that. And I think that's engaging those technical support and resources that they have here and talking through those projects before even the bid's gone out the door yet. We take pride in giving our customers alternatives to their problems, and this is one of those products that's come along that we enjoy using, that works for our customers. At the end of the day, that's what can differentiate you from your competition, and that's what helps us get work and take care of our customers' needs and problems. In a heads-up competitive bid marketplace that we deal with day in and day out, the Bluon product is a competitive advantage. It's easier to convert a system to TdX 20 than it is any of the other drop-ins. There's less labor and there's less risk. We like it. Bottom line, we like it.